Hi everyone! Want to create an online course landing page fast without hiring a developer? In this video, I'll walk you through how to do it in just minutes using the top page WordPress theme that can be purchased on themeforest.net. Building a site from scratch takes time, money, and expertise, but with top page, you get pre-designed professional templates you can customize with Elementor. It's perfect for course creators who want results fast. Let's take a look at the top page WordPress theme. It comes with 6 pre-built demos tailored for online courses and coaching. Demo number 1, perfect for individual coaches offering masterclasses. Demo number 2, great for academies or educational institutions. Demo number 3, a sleek modern design for online trainers. And there are other 3 demos you can explore on the preview of the theme. Let's talk about setup and customization. This theme comes with an extensive documentation where you'll be able to find all the details about installation, but in just a couple of words, you'll need to install WordPress. You'll need a hosting provider to start. Many of them offer one-click WordPress installation. Then you'll need to purchase a theme on ThemeForest, add the theme, upload and activate it to your WordPress site. Then you can start customizing with Elementor. With Elementor, you'll be able to edit all the texts, images, layout quite easily. It supports drag and drop functionality and a real-time preview. In no time, your site will look amazing and professional. With top page, creating a landing page is quick, affordable, and stress-free. The link to the theme is in the description. Go check it out.